so that we can also grow our
Mr. President, the main concern also accompanying all this is a concern from Kenyans from what they see the government doing, which is what Lofty had asked earlier, the government appearing to spend excessively. How do you back on the excesses of the government?
See,
your own economic advisor, David Day, has said it publicly. He's gotten into government and he's seeing there's excessive. And
David is speaking the truth, and that is why we have cut down on unnecessary expenditure. That's why we were able to reduce the budget by 300 billion. That's why in this year's budget, we've been able to reduce from, instead of borrowing 1.1 trillion like the former regime, we are now going to bring it down to 600, those numbers you read, 660 something. So we are responsible. Okay. You know, you're telling me you increased 90 million that was borrowed by State House. You know?
Yes.
You know what used to happen? The office of the deputy president has been shut. You know? So if you have to reinstate the operations of the office of the deputy president, when I was there, you know what happened. You know? The office was, I was paying from my own pocket fuel for my cars. I was paying for tea in my office. I was paying for allowances for my drivers and everybody. It was not fair. But you see, I respect my deputy. I want my deputy to run his show. And I want my deputy to work in an office that works. My deputy is very busy. Today, he can hardly have time. He is permanently in the office because I have assigned him responsibilities. For example, I assigned him the responsibility of making sure that no Kenyan dies. He was sitting on it with development partners, with other Kenyans, and no Kenyan died because of kukosa chakula. Because when you get people to help you work becomes easier and work becomes better.
Mheshimiwa Rais, swali hili la nyongeza ya milioni 93 katika